I got it going again. It's got an aluminum foil liner, and the liner is beginning to shed, turn loose. It's got a little bit of damage in the bottom, which is expected. But overall, so far, what I've seen is it's in remarkably good condition for an organic product that's been buried underground this long. I work on systems that are far worse than this. But what my product will do, it's a moisture vapor barrier, and it just stops that underground smell from coming into the home. Yeah.
The worst place that smell comes into the house, I find, is through our pocket doors.
Okay, so.
Isn't that crazy?
It
took me forever to figure it out, but
does it smell bad during rainy seasons or all the time? Wow, here's a bad spot. Oh, okay, that has caved in and dirt is poured in from the side.
yeah, that's the main spot that I couldn't do anything about. You'd find there's a lot more dirt and other stuff in other places. Well, I ran a hose all the way down the whole thing, but that place was I couldn't do anything about it.
Yeah. And it's not far away. It's just right here underneath this unit.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I think something was in there, like a squirrel or something at some point, because the holes that I covered up were not small, and that place there looked like it was where some sort of animal was coming in.